Yes, I'm here. Can you please give me a minute? I'm trying to connect my Bluetooth. Okay, okay, I'm coming. Just give me a minute. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, let me share my. Can you all see my screen? Hello? Hello? Okay, so um, Ms. Jacob Beloved, um, presenting to first presentation on the product comparison to InnoQuest. So here we're talking about product comparison on Boomplay and Spotify. So here's the overview where we can see that Boomplay and Spotify are both music streaming platforms, and they all have their unique strengths. And that of Boomplay is primarily to African markets, but Spotify is both for okay, it includes both the African market and also globally too. I'm also a user of Spotify, so I really like understand how it works. Then go to the next slide. We have the overview. Sorry, let me make it slideshow. I'm sorry. That will be better. Sorry, it's better this way, but okay. Hello, hello. So this is the overview of Google, where we have the homepage, the music trends, notifications, my profile, search, library, and buzz. And the next one, we have the design responsiveness. Spotify, Spotify's Spotify's sleek minimalist design combines white space, bold greens, and blacks, emphasizing album art for immersive experience. Then that of the Boomplay, it's also like the features of Boomplay, high contrast visual with deep and bold blue resonant with African audience. That is the design responsiveness of Boomplay. So here is the Spotify onboarding user flow. I don't know if you can see it clearly because it's a little bit kind of tiny here. Then the usability. Spotify offers a highly personalized experience using AI-driven recommendations, and it also has it also has the user also enjoys flexibility playlist management, access to adjust text and screen readers. Yeah, I can attest to that. Then that of Boomplay. Boomplay caters to African music lovers with regional playlists and simple navigation optimized for mobiles. Then you also have that of the offline mode on Boomplay, like it's also one of the usability there too. Then here is the user experience testing, where we have the navigation, we have task efficiency, we have user satisfaction, content discovery, and error rates. Onboarding and personalization interruptions, interface design, playback quality, and the user. Then the performance, Spotify and Google provides comprehensive features with unique performance focuses. I'll go with Spotify. Spotify offers a clean user interface with quick access to search, home, search, and library. And it also has the new feature that's on Spotify. It will also have video. If you are interested in watching the video of the music you are listening to, it's also available on Spotify too. Then for Boomplay, it focuses on localized music with playlists, downloads, and live radio stations. The users can view artist profile, lyrics, and share content. And it also has the offline mode too. VIP users access ad-free streaming and exclusive content. Pricing and support. So here on this slide, we have the pricing and support. Pricing models, Spotify scores higher, potentially due to more extensive and varied pricing model compared to Boomplay. Then for that of the customer support, Spotify leads slightly, reflecting its larger global customer service infrastructure. Then user communities. Both platforms score high, but Spotify has a slight edge due to its global reach and interactive community features. That is that is it about Spotify in terms of the user communities, the customer support, and pricing models because it's global compared to English. Then the comparison. So we have the pictorial evidence of the comparison of Boomplay and Spotify. And we can see that Boomplay shows more balanced distribution among pricing models, customer support, and user communities. For that of Spotify, it has a strong focus on user communities and pricing models, reflecting its emphasis on diverse subscription options and active community and engagement. So it depends on the package you sign up for on Spotify before you can enjoy the benefits of Spotify. Then here is the analysis. Boomplay's strength lies in its African music focus, affordable subscription, offline downloads, and easy to use interface. Then for that of and the growth also includes global music library, partnering and emerging artists, optimizing for low bandwidth areas. Then for Spotify, by contrast, boost vast global catalog, strong personalization, and cross-platform. So for that of the review, here we have I'm almost done. We have the review of Boomplay and Spotify. And for the overall performance, strong in Africa music, user-friendly, affordable, but limited in global catalog and stability. Then the value for money. Great value for African music lovers. I've said that earlier. And also the recommendation expands international music library, enhance app stability, add music features and all that. Then for Spotify, talk about the overall performance, excellent global music catalog, um, personalized recommendations and smooth user experience. However, premium cost can be high for some users, and that is true. Value for money, strong value due to the fast content and advanced features, though costlier than some alternative. Recommendations offers more regional pricing options, enhance offline listening features, add more interactive and social features. Yeah. So this is the summary of Spotify and Boomplay. Spotify and Boomplay offers distinct strengths in music streaming, and Spotify shines with vast global catalog. Spotify is actually the one that is usually common. People use Spotify more with my own research and everything. So thank you. So I'll be sharing the screen for next for Chioma to also I'll be sharing the screen. Chioma, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Hi, good evening,
Let
everyone.
me let me bring up can you see us now?
Yes, I can see my screen, but I'm still seeing Spotify and Boomplay.
Okay, let's do that. Hold on. Let's hold on. Let me do it again.
Sorry, because hope is not that you are sharing the PowerPoint window alone.
No. This is I'm done with my own, so I want to show that of my own. Just give me a
All right.
minute. Okay, can you see us now?
Yes, I can. Okay,
All
so
right.
good evening. Can you put on slideshow? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Good evening, everyone. Our team InnoQuest presentation, second presentation, is going to be on Money Point and Pampay. As we all know, Money Point and Pampay, like they are both. Sorry, second slide. Next slide. Money Point and Pampay are both fintech platforms. Beloved, next slide. And the goal for comparing like both of them is just like understand our needs, like the one that fits our needs best. Next slide. So as we all know, PalmPay focuses more on individual needs and just promoting financial inclusion, while MoneyPoint focuses on businesses. They are more focused on businesses, as we all know. Next slide. And the strength of PalmPay and MoneyPoint. Strengths. PalmPay offers a wide range of services. Beloved, can you turn off your mic?
Okay.
PalmPay offers a wide range of services, and the app is easy to use and navigate. It's also like very, very prominent in Nigeria market. They also always like run promotions and offers to offer to retain and attract users. Why Money Points is backed by strong technology infrastructure. They cater to businesses, and I think because of them, like POS is really, really prominent in Nigeria. It's also like always like constantly introducing new features and services. Next slide, please. The weaknesses: PalmPay is limited to Nigeria, and which can limit its growth. And users are always concerned about their money. Like every time most times when you tell people that you're using PalmPay, they're like, "Oh my god, you're using PalmPay. Hope your money will not miss. Are you putting big money? Are you putting small money in PalmPay?" Their customer support is also very, very like inadequate. It's not as good as other banks. Why Money Points? they prioritize like business. They're not like really focused on individuals. And users have reported like onboarding and transaction issues. They can also work on improving their brand awareness in public. Next slide, please. Opportunities for improvements. PalmPay can explore new markets so that they will expand their users and revenue. They can also improve their security so that they can boost trust and reduce concerns. They can also invest in customer support. While Money Points can improve their app, like their app interface. Like it's not as good. Their app interface is not that good. It's not easy to use. Then they can also train users and merchants on the platform. They can also expand their services because their services are kind of limited compared to PalmPay. Next slide. This is their feature matrix. Like because we can see this is like what it looks like. In PalmPay, you can see the user profile section. We can see balance and savings, money transfer options, promotions and services section, and we can see the bottom navigation bar. As you can see, like the comparison, if you're comparing, you can see that PalmPay's UI more is way better than Money Points. Then Money Points, you have the user profile, account details, balance information, recent transactions, promotion banner, payment options, rewards balance, and bottom navigation bar. Like PalmPay's UI UX, like it's more flexible and it's like it's not as limited as Money Points. Please next slide. PalmPay performance. PalmPay. Sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Can
we
you hear
can
me?
hear you. Continue. Yeah.
Okay. As you can see on this side, we have like the customer reviews that I got from App Store. People have complained, people have commended PalmPay, they've commended they've commended PalmPay, they've commended, like giving them advice, they've also complained about a couple of things. They've complained about like their transactions not going through and just a couple of things. But like I put in like suggestions and I was like, oh, with a 4.5 rating on App Store and 4.4 stars on Google Play, PalmPay has grown since they came in the industry, and they have expanded their features. My Money Points. Sorry, next slide. As we can also see, I put in like reviews from users and how we have for like we have bad and we have suggestions too. And we can see like the funding that Money Points recently received. Yeah, where I put in by this side, by the right side. And the conclusion. Next slide, please. And in conclusion, we can see that like Money Point and PalmPay, they have emerged as strong contenders. Sorry, in the Nigeria fintech industry, and PalmPay can improve like customer support and they can expand beyond Nigeria. While Money Point has solidified their position in business. Like everybody uses them for like business transactions, POS services. They can also get better like at like using their app, and can also improve their offerings. Like both companies have contributed significantly to improving financial access and driving fintech growth in Nigeria. So that's all. Thank you.
Yeah, good evening. Am I on? Can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Okay, so okay, good evening, everyone. Can we all see my screen? I don't know if it's a screen. Can we see my screen? Okay, sorry. Hello. Okay. Okay, good evening, everybody. So this evening we're talking about we'll be comparing Zoho Mail and Gmail, that's Google Mail. So as we all know, both app primary function is to send email to um different people for different purposes. So let's look at it. Let's compare both products. So in the login process of both products, so Gmail allows you to um Gmail allows you to create multiple accounts on their app. So it allows you to create multiple accounts on your app, even if you have an existing mail before or you don't have one before. So Gmail allows you. You can see the add account button here. So you can add an account and you can also create an account as well on Gmail. So Mail also allows you to create an account on them and also allows you to customize the mail displayed on the home screen. So on the home screen right now, you can see that Gmail allows you to start a received mail so that you can take it as a reference that is an important message. So Zoho Mail also allows you to sort your mail. You can see if it's something that you've read, if something that has an attachment. You get so it allows a drop down selection of inbox based on user preference and order of importance. Okay, next. So Gmail. So in searching for a particular mail, Gmail allows you to use voice command to search for key keywords. And you can access email by sender's name, the date, the time, without type. And you can also see that it provides suggestions. For example, you can see on the screen, you can see wireframe. So based on the word in the mail or maybe the user's name, you can search for something on Gmail. So on Google Mail as well, on Zoho Mail, you can search using keyword feature for user tags. So you can have focused search to save time and improve um, email management. So it uses keywords as well to also look for mails that has been received by the user. So we can also see that a very very important difference between Gmail and Zoom is that there is a meeting icon, that's the Google Meet, on the Gmail app, while on the Zoom app it is not present. However, in the Zoom app, it allows you to filter the icon for inbox customization. It includes a filter icon. Sorry, it includes a filter icon so that you can filter the messages that are present in your inbox. So the next slide. Okay, so we can see that Zoom Mail has features like templates and newsletter, which are kind of like mail categorization, should I say? But on the Gmail app, there is no template. There is no template on the Gmail app. That's the mobile app. So, but Gmail also has certain key categorization. Like it has the primary, it has promotion, social, updates. So those are different categorization of mails. So that is absent in Zoho. So we can also notice that in Zoom, we can see these icons on top. So the icon representing the contact, the calendar, the attachment, the settings. So same things are also present in Gmail, but they are written alongside with words. So you can know that okay, this is what this thing means. So and you can also see that Zoom kind of provides a kind of background that kind of makes the interface better for me, makes it better, at the point of where the username and then the Gmail, the mail, the mail name is. So next slide. So Zoom allows users to customize their email signature in the setting section of the app. So you can choose to add various select and various email signature. You can also decide not to have any email signature when you are sending email from Zoom. So you can see a signature here where you write sent using Zoom. So you can decide not to add it as well. But I think there's also apart from send using Zoom, there's also one other that Zoom will also support just a text, but that is absent in Gmail. Those kind of signature are not present in Gmail. However, in Gmail we can see that there are short prompt response suggestions and navigation icon back to the home page. So when somebody sends a email, instead of having to think too much, I'll say thanks, I'll check it out, got it, it works. So those kind of suggestions. So the next one. composing email. So there are certain similarities between them in composing email. We can see the confidential mode. So that's kind of like making a mail to somebody so that only the person will be able to read it. So same feature is present in Zoom mail using the secure pass email. So Gmail also has a feature says reach out to customer support. So it allows you to reach out to customer support on the Compose app. So you can easily reach out to them maybe when you are trying to type an email. So just go to the help and feedback session. However, that is not present really on the Compose page of Zoom, like on the Compose page at that junction exactly. So when I feel like that help and feedback being present at that junction is very, very essential in the user experience. So Zoom Mail allows you sender to track engagement on their mail by turning on the ask receipt button. So when you send the mail, you can know if your recipient has received it, if it is delivered or not. So using this ask receipt checkbox, so you can do that. And then the next one, so Zoom Mail allows you to send an email later. So you can also see Gmail also has similar feature with the schedule send. So Zoom also allows you that to quickly insert pre-made email templates into the body of an email. So useful for sending standardized message such as follow-up, welcome, email or announcement. So instead of having to retype that message again, so you can just have that template in the Zoom mail and then you just use it in your when you are composing your mail. However, this feature is absent on Gmail mobile app. So on mobile app is absent. So next slide. So Gmail. So troubleshooting options and FAQ option for users facing issues while navigating the app. However, for Zoom Mail, so it has a simple help desk interface to attach files and image related to issues to escalate to customers. So for Gmail, you can kind of just do what I'll call a self-service. You know, just check, normally ask questions, and then see how you can fix it. But Zoom will require you to like attach a file or image related issue, so you can reach out to their customer support. So areas where both can improve for Gmail. So enhance integration. So expand integration beyond Zoho ecosystem to include more third-party application, especially using security tool to appeal to a broader user base. So user face improvement as well. So simplify and modernize the UI to make navigation more intuitive, especially for first-time users. So they have to make some improvement on their user interface. So for the mobile app optimization, so focus on improving mobile performance, enhancing loading speed, and adding user-friendly features that match Gmail mobile experience. So they really need to work on their loading speed because there are times that you send mail and then it's not going immediately, especially on the Gmail app. It's not going immediately. You receive mail, you have to still wait a while before it comes in. So they need to improve on that. So Gmail also additional customization options such as custom labels, advanced spam filters, workflow automation to enhance email management. So those are things that kind of like tags. If they can make there to be tags like to email, that's the custom labels, so it make things better. So another thing is expanded documentation and support, such as real-time chat support to improve user experience. To improve users' experience, common issues more efficiently. So Zoho Mail, some things they can improve on: strengthen privacy feature, improve customer support for free user, so they can integrate business-specific features. Um, they can also integrate advanced search capabilities. For example, earlier I mentioned about the voiceover that is present in Gmail that is not present in Zoho app. So also for Zoho Mail, it offers more. They have to improve on their customization of their workspace. So you remember I spoke about um, Gmail customization into primary social updates. So they need to improve on things like that. So those are all the areas of improvement that is suggested. Thank you. Yeah, we are done with this already. So I would love to call on Eniola to take over from here.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Good, we can hear you.
Can you all please see my screen? Okay. So I'll be doing a product comparison on CUDA and OPay. These are team members. Team trailblazers. Kuda is a digital-only bank offering seamless banking through its app. It provides free transfer, savings plans, budget tools with no traditional fees. While OPay is a mobile-based platform providing financial services like money transfer, bill payment, and airtime purchases, it ensures convenient, secure transactions and has expanded to include ride hailing. Can you all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Kuda and Opay are both popular fintech companies that originated in Nigeria and have become popular across Africa, especially in markets with growing interest in digital banking, offering a range of financial services to customers. The primary purpose of this comparison, the comparison between Kuda and Opay, is to evaluate which platform better serves the digital financial needs of the Nigerian market by examining both the user experience and the feature robustness. The scope of the comparison, we are going to be comparing their core services, we are going to be comparing the user experience, we are going to be comparing their price and cost structures, the financial benefits, we are going to be also comparing the security and the reliability of both apps. CUDA user personas. The primary personas of CUDA are young professionals, freelancers, and gig workers, conscious users. These are people that need a digital app for their day-to-day financial and banking management system. CUDA stakeholders are their investors, financial regulators, and development, marketing, and customer support teams. The primary users of OPay are small business owners and merchants, daily commuters and transport users, and digital service users. OPay is very popular among small business owners who need affordable and accessible payment solutions. They need a payment solution that would reflect immediately. They don't not like the regular banks where you have to wait a while to confirm transactions to know if okay, truly this person sent or not. The feature set comparison between CUDA and OPay. We are going to be comparing the core banking. CUDA is a digital bank with accounts for deposits, transfers, and withdrawals, while OPay is a mobile wallet for payment, transfers, and fund storage. They offer free banking and fee-free banking. CUDA offers fee-free transfers up to a limit. There's a limit, and they provide no monthly maintenance fees. OPay charges for certain services, but provides cashbacks and rewards to offset costs. Savings and budgeting tools. Automated savings, such as spend plus save, is a feature on CUDA. While OPay offers limited saving tools, they are focused more on their transactional services. CUDA has no dedicated merchant tools, while OPay offers POS terminals and merchant solutions for small businesses. Their target audience for CUDA is focused on individuals that prioritize personal savings and personal finance and savings, while OPay is for a broader audience, including individuals, small businesses, and lifestyle service users. This is the UX and UI and UX design comparison. For the user interface, CUDA's user interface is simple and visually uncluttered, prioritizing essential banking functions with minimal distractions. While OPE user interface is more complex, it reflects its multi-service nature since they offer a wide variety of services. So it's more cluttered compared to CUDA's interface. While for the user experience, CUDA's user experience is optimized for banking tasks like transfers, bill payments, budgeting, which makes it suitable for users with specific banking needs. It offers a frictionless and quick experience, while OPE provides diverse services. Its user experience is built for multifunctional use. So users are guided through various sections for specific tasks, which can be cluttered, and it requires additional steps, but it offers more flexibility. The performance. CUDA design is streamlined and minimalistic. It's focused on its core services, fast transaction, fewer caches, smooth user experience, while OPE has fast transactions but broader services, which can cause occasional lags and stability issues, crashes sometimes. While in terms of technology, for the backend, Node.js and Java microservices was used, and for the front end, Flutter, it supports iOS and Android devices. While for the backend for OPE, Java and Go microservices on Alibaba's cloud, while for the front end, Flutter provides seamless user experience across devices. The pricing model. CUDA pricing model is primarily freemium, while OPE pricing model is primarily freemium but with additional fee-based services. The pricing and the cost comparison. To open your account on CUDA is free, but for transfers you have 25 free monthly transfers. Then after that, there's a fee. You have limited free withdrawals. You have savings on your interest. While for OPE, to open the account also is free, but you are charged per transfer. While CUDA, you are charged after 25 transactions, but for OPE, you are charged immediately after a transfer. Then they don't have physical cards. OPE has physical cards. Um, CUDA does not offer loan. OPE offer loans based on amount and tenure. You have savings, you have interest on your savings account on CUDA, while you don't have any interest on your savings account on OPE. Gaps and opportunities. For the gaps for CUDA, some users report low customer service. Their customer service is not as urgent as customers would like, because especially after failed transactions. While for OPE, the gap in OPE currently lacks variety of financial products like loans, credit options, as much as users would like. They lack that. What for the opportunities? CUDA could improve the way they respond to customers. They can be faster in their customer service, in their response to their customers. While for the opportunities for OPE, they can add small loans, add credit services to attract more people. Prioritization and success metrics. To effectively prioritize CUDA and OPE, CUDA and OPE could employ the various techniques. They can employ the Moscow method, the right scoring method, and the prioritization matrix, where you prioritize high impact, low impact tasks, or high impact and high effort tasks, or low impact and low effort tasks, or low impact and high effort tasks. While for the success metrics, CUDA and OPE can track the various metrics. They can track their how many users sign up in a month, how many um, um, how many users do their first transaction, and then the user retention rate, how many users, their shown rate, the user engagement, the duration of each session, a user does on the app, their financial performance, security compliance. Sorry. So in summary, Kuda excels in low-cost, user-friendly banking, while Opay's diverse transactional free model suits those wanting all in one. They want an app that has a lot of services in one. Each model serves different needs. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, hi. Good evening, everybody. My name is Sarah, and this team Rebrings. I'll be representing Team Vibrant, and we'll be doing. I don't know. Can you see my screen? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we'll be doing a comparison on Piggy Vests and Carrywise. Um, like we compared earlier, the last time we spoke, that was last week. Piggyvest is a saving platform, an investment platform that help users save and invest their money. Likewise, Carrera is also a digital app for saving and investing, ideally for beginners. So we'll move on to the design interface of Piggyvest and Carrywise. As you can see here, Piggyvest has a clean look basically, and it also allow people to choose different ways to save, just like piggy bank or save log, but it does not offer guidance within the app, and this might also be confusing for beginners who does not really know the option to pick or whatever to pick. Then also for Carrywise, it also looks simple and neat, and it's mostly in blue colors. It has this help me decide button, which acts like a guide for people who don't know where to start. For example, now if you are new to saving or investing and then you need suggestion, you could just easily click on the button which says help me decide, and then Carrywise can help you decide on what you want to save or how you want to save and stuff like that. Then we go to the user flow. As you can see on our screen, when you sign up through Carrywise, it takes you down to each step. It has the overview, it has the home, the saving, the investment platform, the explore page, and also the start. Then from there, you can also explore your savings, you can also explore your investment. Then it also takes you down to your page, like your profile page. While for Piggyverse, it is more detailed and it is more enticing, right? Like we can see on our screen here, when you open the Piggyverse account, it welcomes you first of all. It tells you, like, this particular image tells you, okay, happy new year. If it's a new week, tells you happy new week and all of that. Then right on the homepage, you can see different investment opportunities. If you keep scrolling, you will see saving options also. Then it also have like a button for your save lock. Like I said, if you want to save your money for a particular period of time and you don't want to touch it, really for maybe for purpose of housing or maybe travel and stuff like that, then it can help you save. It also has Piggyverse, Piggy Bank. It has Flex Naira. It has Flex Dollar, where you can like save your different kind of money. Then also it also have a balance check. It has this auto deposits, and it also has an option whereby you can only withdraw I think not 3 times a year, basically 3 times a year. Then after that 3 times a year, once your withdrawal days pass, you have to like pay withdrawal fee, which is also very good because they want you to also inculcate the habit of saving. Then we move to the accessibility and usability. For Carrywise is designed to to be read easily. Like for those who rely on screen readers, it allows you to adjust your text size, which can be hard for people who use larger fonts. Why for piggyverse also uses easy to read text, but it does not also work as well as the screen readers, and does not have options to like adjust your text size. There's also like less in-app information about how to use the app, which can be also tough for people who need more guidance. So in this comparison now, I'm gonna go with Carrywise because it has like more detailed information. It helps people to like, you can also minimize your text if you are like this person that like big font size. You can also minimize it. If you have someone that like small font size, you can also adjust it. But Piggyverse does not have that option. Then for the market positioning, Carrywise, both of them are both good for saving and also investing. It's help people make a better choice who want to start building their wealth in different ways. For Carrywise, it has educational content, which also help beginners to learn more about finances when using it. They give educational purposes, educational content for people that does not have an idea about saving or investing on their platform. While for Piggyverse, it's just more about just saving toward the specific goals, which is great for people who just want to focus on disciplined saving. If you're the type that prioritize saving goals more than educational learning content, then you should go for Piggyverse, because it's more like just saving discipline, and also for investment also. While Carrywise also offers you the option of learning about saving, learning about investment before you go into it. That's like the then I go to the next slide, which is a recommendation for the area of improvement and opportunity for growth. For Carrywise, we advise that they add in more features, just like Piggyverse, which is this goal targeted saving. That people who like saving for specific things. Why Piggyverse could add more investment options? Because, like I said earlier, they have this limited investment option, whereby they are limited to like maybe treasury bills. Not maybe they're limited to treasury bills, but now they've expanded to like real estate. So me, I would recommend that they bring in more investment options, investment features. Maybe they could go into agriculture, they could go into exportation, they could go into different investment options, so that they can attract users into their platform. Then for targeting specific group also, the both app should also try appealing to specific group of people. For example, now Piggyverse could design a special saving plan for students with low or irregular income. They should not like make the app just for people who are financially buoyant. They could also encourage students to save with like low budget, even if it's 10 naira, 20 naira, 15 naira. They should allow students like save. They should also encourage students to also save on their platform, because I believe saving is for everybody. Then also for improved security, I would like both platforms to use advanced tools like AI to improve their security. Also, would like them to protect their user from fraud and making the app more secure to avoid data breaching. So in summary, for Carrywise, the app is better for beginners who want a bit of everything, both saving and investment. Along with they can help people find the right options. But for Piggyverse, the app is perfect for people who want simple, focused saving options, especially those who are already disciplined with money. They could just help them, like guide them, and make them more disciplined when it comes to saving and all of that. Well, both app are doing a good job to help people manage their money. Both Carrywise and Piggyverse are more versatile for people who want to save. And in conclusion, that is all I have to say. Thank you very much. I'm going to call on Team Phonics to continue with the presentation. Thank you very much. Team Phonics, you have the floor, please.
Hey, I think it's already 6:53 now. How are we going to present myself in minutes? Is
Sincere apologies. Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Heaven, and I'm representing Team Phoenix. Please confirm you can see the change of slide. Just confirm you can see, then I move on. All right. So I'll be taking product comparison for um, two gaming platform. They're actually called Fortnite and Apex Legends. So I'll just quickly run through this. These are two leading battle royale games. Fortnite was actually established in 2017, while Apex Legend was established in 2019. Uh, both of them, both games actually offers a distinctive gaming platform for their users. Uh, from their markets and competitive context, um, Fortnite actually their target audience ranges from 10 to 30. They favored for its creative building style and vibrant graphics. While for Apex Legends, from ages 16 to 35, they attract players who prefer tactical shooters with rich character. And when it comes to their competitor, they're actually competitors to each other. So Fortnite competes against PUBG, Warzone, and Apex Legends, while Apex Legends direct competition is Fortnite, PUBG, and Call of Duty, which is also Warzone. When it comes to market fit, both games excel in crowded battle royale market. Fortnite's Fortnite's building Fortnite's building adds creativity, and also Fortnite has the ability to shine with its flexibility and creative appeal, while Apex Legend uh, feels a need for strategic and team-based gameplay. For their comparison, that's for comparison criteria. Um, when it comes to usability, Fortnite is intuitive, while Apex Legend is approachable with simplicity. When it comes to features, Fortnite is actually pop culture inclined, while um, Apex Legend is character abilities with teamwork. When it comes to performance, Fortnite is optimized their gamers, while Apex Legend generally does this smooth optimization as well. And when it comes to design, uh, Fortnite uh, Fortnite does with bright colors. They deal with bright colors, appealing to visuals, while Apex Legend is realistic, engaging aesthetics. When it comes to pricing, they both operate on the same mode, which is free, like free mode. They both operate on free mode. And then when it comes to support, uh, Fortnite actually has robust updates when it comes to serving their community, while Apex Legend is active with regular patches. And Fortnite actually thrive on cross-platform playing when it comes to integration, and the same things are available for Apex Legend. As regards their five-star rating, I will give the five-star rating to Apex Legend because when it comes to usability, features, design, pricing, and uh, support, they all have 5 stars in these categories that I mentioned. So Apex Legend takes this when it comes to five-star rating. And to the research insights, Fortnite thrives on building mechanics and frequent pop culture collaboration appealing to a vibrant young audience, though it may experience lag in crowded situations. While for Apex Legends, the focus on team dynamics with character abilities, catering to a more matured audience with realistic graphics, but can struggle with performance on other devices. And then we go to core features. Core features for Fortnite, uh, creative building for defense and offense. Their games varied from different game modes and seasonal updates. And when it comes to Apex Legends is good with tactical combats and advanced movements mechanics. And then we move to performance technology. For performance technology, Fortnite runs on Unreal Engine, while Apex utilizes the Source Engine. And when it comes to monetization strategy, Fortnite engages their players with battle pass and in-game purchases, often collaborating with big brands. Um, when it comes to how they do this, so I remember in 2020, Travis Scott actually did something with Fortnite, and it actually went viral. So this is why Fortnite is actually thriving when it comes to pop culture. So for Apex Legends, they utilize a seasonal battle pass, offering cosmetic and new characters with Apex coin and legend tokens. So for their key performance, Fortnite actually has 3.8 million daily active users and over 5 billion annual revenue, of course, with 4.5 star rating. Then for Apex Legend, they have 2.5 daily active users, over 1 billion annual revenue, and 4.4 star rating on App Store. Then for their SWOT analysis, for strength, Fortnite actually thrives in unique building mechanic, frequent updates, and engaging live events. While for Apex, they are strategic depth, they have character diversity, and they are free in team communication. When it comes to weaknesses, Fortnite has complexity in building mechanics that may deter new players. So new players may not be able to catch up with the some of the things that they have on their site because they might not understand how to use the players. For Apex Legend, they have less accessible characters that is due to limited solo play options. Due to limited solo play options, so Apex Legend actually thrives in team play. Like, so I'm playing with a friend or I'm playing with a couple of people. So they don't really have facility for just me alone against myself. So then I move to areas of improvement. For areas of improvement, so Fortnite simplify building mechanics and introduces incentive for solo play, while Apex Legend needs to enhance performance on lower end devices and expand their social features. For opportunities and growth, Fortnite needs to expand create their creative events and explore virtual reality integration to attract older players, while Apex Legend they need to optimize for uh, potential for cross game collaboration and new genre of exploration. For their recommendation, Fortnite maintains pop culture collaboration, which I mentioned Travis Scott the other time, and they develop pop culture collaboration and develop more building free modes. That's for their recommendation. They should develop more free modes and also uh, do more of the pop culture engagement to so that they can actually they can sustain their their brand awareness. So for Apex Legend, they need to diversify in terms of character and also improve their compatibility when it comes to broader audience. So overall, in summary, overall performance, Fortnite actually shines in creativity and cultural integration, while um, Apex Legend excel in character-driven gameplay. Apex Legend actually excel in character-driven gameplay. But for best value, both are